accessories.
Oh my gosh.
You know, it came with the doll. I don't know how that. Oh.
Thank you, Pat.
Oh, no.
Molly. What is it? It's accessory. My turn.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad.
Do you know all the characters? I'll quiz you later. What is that? I gotta do it fast. A purse? This? Let's see. Chocolate?